जस्टिस फेर्दीन रिबेलोन म्हापशा जाहीर सभा आपयल्ली. गोंयांत चलतल्या बेकायदेशीर गजालींचेर बोट दवरून लोक मिडिया मुखार उलयले. कसिनो, हिल कटिंग, लँड कन्वर्जन, CRZ तशेंच हेर राजकीय पर्यावरणीय मुद्द्यांचेर सभा तापली.
MLAs are asking for a debate on an issue. You can't say the matter is sub judice. Or yeah, the sub judice. Every time an issue comes, तुम्ही दाटलेले एकल्या मनशाक file a court case. And Mike सांगतले sub judice. House will not discuss. House may not discuss the merits of the matter pending in the High Court or the court. But the people's representatives have the right to discuss the issue. जो माकोड कानाचेर हात घालून असलो तो जावन आसा आमचो सरकार, कोणाचे काय आयकना. जो माकोड दोळे दांपून असलो तो आसलो आमचे कोर्ट, कोणाचे काम करिनात. जो मोनो जो असलो तो लागलो आमच्या गोंयचे सगळे लोक मोनो जाल्यात. People are opposing because they are opposing. People are not opposing because they are opposing. People are opposing because you have not done your homework. तू कितलो बोग तर आसा देवळांचो, why are you not protecting these temples from demolition? That politicians are not the face of this state. That politicians will not decide the future of our children. That corruption is not the way of life. Don't take the people's fight, ridicule the people's fight. आम्ही करतले आमच्याकडे मोहम्मत आसा. Bigger empires have fallen. 17(2) must be scrapped. We should draft a letter, Town and Country Planning Department, that we are bound to follow the topo map of the Surveyor General of India. Do your homework and then come to the people. Enough is enough. Don't take goons granted for too long. This fight is not only a fight for this 10-point charter, this is a fight for the very soul of Goa.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार.